Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Store error 0x8004e108 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and maybe open it quickly. The next solution is to check the internet connection. Why? Because Microsoft Store works through the internet, and if the internet is disabled, then you will face problems. You might not be able to download any app or anything, or you might not even be able to reload the Microsoft Store. So search for fast.com on your browser and open it and check the internet speed. Is it good enough to sustain a download? If not, then you will have to work on that before anything else. The next solution is to sync the date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time. Check all of these three boxes to set time zone automatically, set time automatically, and show the clock. Then click on sync now. The last solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Now pick a good restore point, click on next, and then finally click on finish to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.